On the 2nd of August 2022, Sector Officer Rinja Srimati Joyti Walang, MPS, Sub-Inspector Peace Aim, IC Nongthamai and Special Party Rinja Police Station conducted joint patrolling at Nongthamai and apprehended two habitual persons, one Step Lingdor, 27 years of Nongrem Hills, and Shri Banrop Langjirwa, 24 years of Rungi Jinriu Ning. The two were admitted to being involved in the Rinja Police Station case number 11707-2022 under Section 454 380 IPCA burglary and selling of stolen items to someone in Yau Mau Long. On the following day, that is the 3rd of August, with the assistance of SIJ Walang, IC Cantonment and his special party, were able to apprehend Shri Abdul Mottalib, aged 21 years of Maulong Hut, and recovered the following stolen items: one Asus laptop, two HP laptops, one Dell laptop, one Canon PowerShot SX430IS, one Canon camera IXUS, and one Vivo mobile phone.